Not knowing the rules of the road is a fatal mistake. Hi, this is Vasya, your driving instructor. Join our club and drive safely and without fines. Today, we will be taking the DMW tests. Question 7. What is the purpose of rumble strips? A. They alert drivers to potential tire problems. B. They test a vehicle's shock absorbers. C. Through vibration and sound, they alert inattentive drivers to the fact that their vehicles have left the travel lane. Correct answer is C. Question 8. A solid yellow arrow on a traffic signal means A. You should speed up so you can make the turn before the light changes. B. You do not need to signal to turn from the indicated lane. C. You should prepare to stop and yield the right-of-way to oncoming traffic. Correct answer is C. Question 9. This sign means A. Merge. B. Winding road ahead. C. Reserved parking for persons with disabilities. Correct answer is a question 10. Which of the following statements is true? A. Driving too slowly is not an unsafe practice. B. Driving too slowly on certain highways can be dangerous. C. The speed at which you drive a vehicle does not affect safety. Correct answer is B. Question 11. Reaction time is slower after A. Drinking alcohol. B. Sleeping. C. Working hard. Correct answer is a question 12. Excessive speed. A. Saves time so you can get to your destination more quickly. B. Helps you maneuver around obstacles. C. Increases the likelihood of serious bodily injury and death. Correct answer is C. Question 13. When driving in fog, you should use your A. Fog lights only. B. High beams. C. Low beams. Correct answer is C. Question 14. A curb painted blue means parking is A. Allowed for no longer than 15 minutes. B. Only allowed when picking up or dropping off passengers. C. For disabled persons with a special placard or plate. Correct answer is C. Question 15. Which of the following driving skills are affected by the use of alcohol and/or drugs? A. Alertness. B. Coordination. C. Both of the above. Correct answer is C. Question 16. When approaching an intersection controlled by a flashing yellow light, you must A. Come to a complete stop at the intersection. B. Maintain your normal speed. C. Slow down and proceed with caution. Correct answer is C. Question 17. This sign shows one type of A. Intersection. B. Road curve. C. Right turn. Correct answer is a question 18. When should drivers yield the right-of-way to pedestrians in a crosswalk? A. Only if the pedestrians first wave to the driver. B. Only if the pedestrians are not texting while walking. C. At all times. Correct answer is C. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and like the video.